In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add partner code in Exness. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter a partner code safely and correctly during signup. First, open your preferred web browser and go to exness.com. Take a second to confirm you're on the official site by checking the address bar and looking for the secure padlock icon. Using the correct website protects your information and ensures you're following the official process. On the home page, look for the Register button, usually located at the top of the page. Click it to open the sign-up form. This is where you'll enter the details needed to create your account. Start with your email address. Use an email you actively check and have immediate access to, since you may receive important notifications and security prompts tied to your account. Carefully double-check for typos to avoid issues with confirmations or account recovery later. Next, create your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A good approach is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details and simple words. For added safety, consider storing it in a reputable password manager and never share it with anyone. Now you'll see the partner code field. This is optional. A partner or affiliate may have given you a code to ensure your new account is linked to them, which can help with tracking referrals or receiving partner-specific benefits. If you have a code, type it exactly as provided, paying attention to any capitalization. If you're unsure about the code's accuracy, it's better to confirm with the source before proceeding. If you don't have one, simply leave this field blank. Your registration can continue without it. You'll also see a declaration regarding tax residency in the United States. Only select this confirmation if it accurately applies to you. If you are a U.S. citizen or resident for tax purposes, you should not tick this box. When in doubt, review the broker's requirements or seek independent guidance. This is not legal or tax advice. Always be truthful and accurate with your information. Once everything looks correct, click Register to create your account. After this, the platform may guide you through additional on-screen steps, such as confirmations or verification, to complete your profile and secure your access. That's it. You've navigated to the official site, opened the registration form, entered your email and a strong password, added a partner code if you had one, confirmed the relevant declaration, and submitted your registration. If you need help at any point, use the platform's official support channels for assistance.